Hello and welcome back to the channel Hard Reset Info, and today I will show you how to change sensitive content settings on X. So I will use my browser for this because when I use my mobile application, I simply cannot see such function in my settings. So if you have this problem as well, then use your browser like I do now. But if not, it's completely fine if you use your application. The process and all the steps are identical, so if you follow my instructions, I'm sure that you can do it. So in the top left corner of your screen, you have to tap your profile picture, then scroll to Settings and Privacy, and then enter section that is called Privacy and Safety, and go to section that is called Content You See. So in order to change sensitive content settings on X, you should look for this function, display media that may contain sensitive content. And if you do not want to see such type of sensitive content, then you should remove your tick from this checkbox next to this function. But if you want to see your sensitive content, simply tick it so that it was active. It was this blue color. And also, if you want to see sensitive content when you are searching for something on X, then enter search settings right here, and make sure that next to line that says hide sensitive content, you do not have any ticks, so it should be empty. And if you do not want to see any sensitive content in your search results, then you have to put tick in this checkbox. So that's basically how you can change sensitive content settings on X. I really hope that you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.